good morning everyone. So today we'll be cooking keto tofu. So we need to have 3 medium eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 150 ml of coconut milk. So you can buy that to any grocery store or any public market nearby you. So let's cooking. Okay guys, so beat all 3 eggs and then pour the coconut milk on the beat eggs and then stir it well. Okay guys, I'm still mixing, and make sure to eliminate all the bubbles because once you transfer that on the other container, you need to make sure that there's no bubble so we can prevent any air. Just mixing it well. Okay, so once you're done guys, we need to transfer that, pour it in the glass container slowly so we can prevent any bubbles. Okay, now we have it. So I'm going to cook just using this one. Going to cook this here, there. Then we can just close. Look, and use any lid. You can use any cover for this one. So, buksan nyo lang medium heat yung apoy. And then, kapag kumulo na, place it in low heat. Wait for 25 minutes and 25 to 30 minutes and it's already been cooked. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like after that. And then I refrigerated it overnight. So, look. And I fried it. Medium heat. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and thank you for watching. See you next time.